Dutch typewriter company YouTube department, and in this installment we'll take a close-up look at this 1970s Olympia Traveller. I tried to match the music, but I have no idea if this even has a 70s vibe to it. I'm only 25, so that's not really my area of expertise. But that's not a problem, because in the end we're here to look at a typewriter. Let's pop the hood of this Olympia Traveller. It's in very good condition, it's fully working, it even has a new ribbon, as you will see in the typing test that we will do shortly. This particular machine actually has a nice option. It has a key to untangle jammed bars. Just press this button with the 4 dots and you're good to go. Right now we're gonna just put a piece of paper in it. This is pretty basic stuff, works basically the same on all typewriters. Just put in the paper, turn this knob right here on the right side, and if your paper is not completely straight, well, you have a little lever on the right side, that's that one. And it loosens up the paper so you can align it so it's nice and straight. And if you flip the lever back in its original position, you're good to go. Just scroll back the paper to where you want to start typing. If you're starting a new document, the paper hanging from the back might be a little long. There's a very good solution to that. Just fold out the little standard that's on the back of the typewriter and it will hold up your paper for you. And now, without further ado, let's do a little typing, shall we? Finally, this typewriter comes in a little plastic case, just so you can carry it around. Just pop on the plastic cap and you're ready to get the hell out of Dodge. This was a quick close-up and a typing test of the Olympia Traveller. Thank you for watching. More videos coming very soon, and I will see you in the next one.